look at this pre-war car. 1941 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special. Considered a 5-passenger touring sedan. What an elegant car. 346 cubic inch. Flathead V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a manual transmission with the shifter on the column. Take a look at the chrome, the grille, and of course the hood ornament, which doubles as the hood release, of course. Now, as far as kind of the grille and bumper, there is a little pitting in the chrome on the grille, so you're aware of that. One of those cars, get in, drive it, take it to your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, get it out, show it off a little bit. What a fun car. Check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay. You can see this car from every angle, the undersides, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint does show its age a little bit. It's a little over 15 years ago that it was painted, and it's kind of just some of those age marks, I guess, if you will. It's not that it shows terrible. It's just a little older paint that does kind of show its age some. Interior, according to the previous owner, which this actually came to us from an estate and is being represented for them and sold through us, was in that same owner's name and family for 30 plus years. According to him, interior, a majority of it was original. Obviously has had a repaint, as we discussed. Take a look at the long body panels. Let's look at the size of that fender flare. And then the fender skirt. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email as we take a look at the rear chrome and bright work. There'll be pictures inside the trunk and with the still pictures. Again, some of the bright work does have some pitting on it. And little spots where you can kind of see a little age in the paint again, which is kind of cool in a car that's from the early 40s, and just kind of having that driven and pre-owned look still shows well, but not perfect, so you don't have to be afraid to get out and drive this one. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look at all the pics. Very close to 100 pictures of this car online. Of course, built at the Fleetwood plant. Scratch here, and I also noticed a little battle wound right there. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. I want to give you the shot up and down the driver's side. Let's take a look at the rear seating area. First off, close that. Of course, back then, ashtrays both sides. Of course, if we take a look down here, let's check this out. Footrests right here, all the way across for rear passengers, and look at the size of that rear seat. Listen to that door close. All right, let's take a look at the front. We do have some wear up here in the interior. But like I said, according to previous owner, believed majority of the interior was original, so there are some wear spots there. You'll be able to check those out in the still pictures also. Headliner looks good. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Like I said, we'll check out that engine bay, that hood open. So as far as starting it, of course, key on down here. Pushing the clutch. Right here's the start button. And there we go. So up here, take a look at the gauges. It appeared that those were working earlier when I drove down to our picture area. Oil pressure coming up. Battery. Was a cold start, so don't expect that to be moved much. Responsive. I did have the blower working. I've had the wipers working. Not had the radio work. Of course, there is a cowl vent. The handle down below. And that is there and working. This one, those doors close. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Of course, you need to fill this with gas. That piece of bright work right there will lift up, fill with fuel underneath there. That's how quiet that runs. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. We're going to lift up on that hood ornament, unlatch the hood, get the hood open, take a look at this engine bay. Check that out. Look at the length of that hood. It's good underneath it. All right, here's that flathead. 346 cubic inch engine. How smooth that runs. '41 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special, 5-passenger touring sedan here at Unique Classic Cars. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1941 Cadillac Series 60. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota. However, the roads are dry today, so we're able to take some driving videos for you. This car is just kind of amazing. The hood ornament, the high-end details, luxury for its day. Blinker indicators do seem to work. Speedometer is reading. The HVAC system does work. The blower fan, there's a separate one for the defrost, that works as well. This is a 3-on-the-tree transmission. This car starts and idles really easily. Smooth going down the road. Really an easy car to drive. You just need to know how to drive 3-on-a-tree. Fuel gauge is reading just above E. The amps show charging. Temperature is on the low end of the cold hot scale. Oil pressure is reading 30. A really nice looking car.